Get ready for the dictation. Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. As far as coal is concerned, every concern that generates power with the help of coal will be affected and its production will become more costly. This will be the effect of all these things, with the result that there will be a demand for an increase of wages in all such industrial concerns. Government employees already have started an agitation and are becoming restive, and government has rightly appointed the pay commission. I do not wish to anticipate the recommendations of the pay commission. But one thing is certain, that the pay commission is going to recommend some increase. It may be small, it may be substantial, or it may not be substantial, but they are bound to recommend some increase in the wages considering the price index at present. Now, when their recommendations will be out, the employees of the state governments will follow suit. Then the employees of all the private concerns will follow suit, with the result that these measures will make the sixth plan most costly. They will contribute to the rise in prices, and therefore I should like the finance minister to consider whether these measures are going to lead to deflation or inflation. That is the real point that should be borne in mind. Then, as was just said by my friend, our greatest need today is to find more foreign exchange, and we can get foreign exchange only by exporting goods. Well, if this is the condition in the country, it is really questionable. It is very doubtful if our products will be able to compete with the foreign products in other countries. Sir, we are hoping to get rupees 1100 crores out of this taxation. Of that, rupees 500 crores will go to our defense, and it must go towards that because we cannot take any risk with the security of the country. I am told that one of the most prominent members of this government said that if there is an increase of rupees 20 in the wages of our servants, it will cost another rupees 50 crores. So rupees 500 crores will go to defense, another rupees 500 crores will go towards the increase in the salaries of government servants, and what will remain is only rupees 100 crores. Will it be sufficient for the sixth 5-year plan? So, I doubt whether we will be able to make a success of our 5-year plan by these measures. The remedy is, as the finance minister himself has said, in rephasing the plan. Rephasing is inevitable in the circumstances, and it should be faced boldly, full stop.